Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live. In this live, I would like to tell about a discount offer for my generative AI course. A few days back, I talked about my generative AI course, right? So let me just share my screen so that I can explain by showing the screen. That will be an effective way of explain that thing, right? So I share the screen. This is the link I am referring. I provided the link in the description of this video, and if you want, I can share it here also. The chart I'm sharing in the chat, you can check that, and let me share it somewhere. Okay, I'm just sharing it on Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay, okay. So let me know if you face any difficulty in listening audio. Okay, I shared it on Twitter. Let me share it on LinkedIn. Okay. So if there are any audio issue, just let me know because previously one of my live sessions was affected with some crack sound. Okay. So I keep on testing with the OBS Studio and other things. So OBS Studio, it's working fine, but sometimes because of network issue or a computing issue somewhere, it showed some issues. Okay, today I'm doing it through YouTube's built-in live offset. Okay, let me explain about my live generative AI webinar. This webinar is useful to learn drag, MCP, LangGraph, and AI agents. Okay, and here in this page I provided options to freely download my AA books and watch my tutorials about RAG, MCP, LangGraph, AA agents. Okay, so if you are new to my channel or new to my blog, if you are not familiar with me, then familiar about me, and you can just go through that books and download the books, read that books, and watch that tutorial videos. Okay. Okay. So here, uh, okay, actually, I got a call. Okay, so I hope the live is going smoothly, right? Excellent connection, and let me check the audio level. So audio level, it automatically reduced it. Okay, no problem. Okay, okay. So this webinar is to teach about RAG, retrieval augmented generation. That is very important because LLMs are hallucinating and they are having certain knowledge cut of data and they lack private information. To address all these things, we need some mechanism. That is what RAG. Okay. So in that case, we should be knowing about RAG. Okay, and MCP, Model Context Protocol. That is for connecting with the external data, so that that AI application can be more powerful with a lot of context. Okay, and LangGraph, the library for creating useful for agents creation, especially agentic AI kind of agents creations. Okay, and AI agents, creating AI agents using LangChain or LangGraph. Okay, So these are all the very mandatory skills in this time period. So I thought of doing separate webinar for teaching those things. And if you want full details, like starting from beginning, better you can go to this link where you can purchase my recorded course, which has 8 hours of recorded tutorial videos and nine AI related ebooks. Okay, that thing you can get it for just 300 rupees or $8. Okay. Okay, but if you are planning to join this live webinar, you need not make separate purchase for that recorded course, because as part of this live GenAI webinar registration, you'll be getting access to that recorded course also. So if you join this webinar, apart from 3 hours of live webinar, you will be provided with the recorded course, which has 8 hours of recorded videos and 9 year related ebooks. Okay, so that is all about this GenAI webinar. I set the price as a very discounted price of just 500 rupees in India, and the similar webinars are they are charging like more around 5,000 rupees. So I thought of setting very low fees. Okay, as I'm starting it now, and as I said, apart from this webinar, 3 hours webinar, you will be getting access to my recorded course also. And the timing is 7 p.m. IST time. That will be 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, and the date is Saturday, coming Saturday, 16th August. Okay, and if you are not able to attend this training, if you feel that this date and timing are not suitable for you, just let me know your preferred timing so that I can plan another webinar. Okay, I have plans to do these kinds of webinar, maybe separate webinar or the same webinar, maybe for targeting business people, like teaching about how to use ChatGPT, other things. Okay, or exclusively for RAG. I have various plans. Okay, so you can just tell me about your preference. My email ID is rajamanikyam.a@gmail.com, or click this WhatsApp link and you can send message to my WhatsApp. Okay, and for registering this thing in India, you have to make the payment to my UPI ID or UPI number or instant pay link. Okay, globally, you can make the payment to my PayPal link or PayPal email. Okay, but once after making the payment, you need to contact me to get the basically to do the registration. Okay, otherwise I may not be knowing about your email or anything, right? So you should contact me after making the payment. It is very very important step. You have to remember to do that. Suppose if you want to do the registration automatically, then you have to go to rajamanikyam.com. There also I listed this webinar registration thing. That is a Gumroad based website. There it will be done automatically, and moreover, the price will be fee will be automatically discounted based on your country, based on the purchasing power parity. So that is good option, but Gumroad will be taking 10% fees. So accordingly I set the price. Okay, so if you don't care about much about fees and you want to get that thing immediately, then use this thing. Or my suggestion is, my recommended thing is just to do it manually and contact me to get the things. You can save money, and it is it won't take much time, right? Within 1 or 2 days I will be sending the links. Okay, and this webinar I plan to live broadcast to this YouTube channel. So in that case, if you want to freely listen to that, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, this YouTube channel QPT. Okay, and the key thing is, if you join to the webinar, you can ask questions. It will be more interactive, because for learning the things, already I provided this recorded course with lot of videos and ebooks. So this purpose of this webinar is to have a interactive discussion. Okay, that is what I wanted to highlight. If you feel that this 500 rupees is not affordable to you, uh, you can get further discount. That is the purpose of this particular live session. I wanted to tell about that discount. Actually, I added here a few minutes back. I added. Just you can share this link or this video, whatever link related to this GenAI webinar. Just to share it on any social media, WhatsApp, X, or WhatsApp group, or LinkedIn groups, or LinkedIn timeline, any of the social media. But it should have significant following or subscribers. Okay, it should be very one or two followers, not like that. Some things. Okay, just take your best social media and share it there. Or if you are not having something like best thing, maybe in instead of one place, you can add it and share it in two or three places. Okay, so once you do that sharing, just to contact me, and you can avail the offer, like a 50% discount. Okay, today I offer, like, even for 100 rupees you can join. Okay, if you share it today, like immediately after, once after completing this uh, live session, I would like to do that kind of offer, right? If you share it and contact me within today, you can get it for just 100 rupees. It's like a huge promotion just to promote this promotion, because even I am offering this discount, it should be like reaching some people, right? Then only they can make use of this opportunity. So to encourage that, if you share it today on any social media, and you can get this webinar for just 100 rupees. So just by paying 100 rupees, you'll be able to participate in this GenAI webinar, and you'll be getting access to my 8 hours of tutorial videos, that recorded course. Okay, 8 hours of tutorial videos and 9 related ebooks. That details you can go through that. That actually, that course is available at Udemy also. There it is getting good ratings, and a lot of people are joining. Okay, it's a really useful one. That course is designed to teach everything, starting from the scratch to the beginners for any common person, and up to programming things, like including MCP, LangGraph, that kind of stuff. Okay, so just to make use of this opportunity, that is the purpose of telling about this offer, is the purpose of this particular live session. And just to share this video to others, so that other people also can know about that. And if you want to know about my way of teaching, just watch these videos: RAG, MCP, LangGraph, agents. I created this video a few months back. After that, a lot of new things happening. So MCP LangGraph, I recently added these videos. Okay, so just to check them. LangGraph video, a lot of people are watching that LangGraph video also. I explained with sample demo. Okay, but if you make purchase by my recorded course, the advantage is yeah, below the videos. Suppose if you are watching one tutorial video, for example, if you are watching about LangGraph video, below the video you can download that sample code. That kind of feature is there. Okay, and other than that, I added a lot of articles, included a lot of infographics. So I would suggest, by suppose, the best thing is, since I'm doing a live webinar, join that live webinar, and you will be getting free access to my recorded course. Okay, that is one thing. Suppose if your timing is not suitable for joining this webinar, you can just buy the recorded course. You can learn it at your own convenient time, self-packed course. You can buy that. Okay, that course has a lot of information, and the past 6 months I have been spending all my time for coming up with that course, by adding a lot of videos, like providing all the all the videos with subtitles or closed captions. So in that case, I believe that will be really useful for any kind of person, like beginners, business people, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, digital marketers, and aspiring developers, or people who want to upskill them with RAG, MCP, that kind of latest things. For everyone, that kind of my recorded course is useful. Okay, but having a recorded course and joining webinar is bit different, right? That is, joining webinar, it has its own added advantage. So that is reason why I started this GenAI webinar, and you can make use of that opportunity. Okay, so just join this webinar if you are interested. Okay. And if you feel that the timing is not suitable for you, or you need one-on-one coaching specifically to you, personalized to you, so just for getting clarifications, or your way of learning may be different from other people's way of learning, right? So in that case, if you want to get one-on-one coaching, you can contact me. Okay. Normally I charge just 800 rupees per hour, but whenever I have free time, I can give huge discount. Even for 400 rupees you can learn. Okay. So that we can discuss. Okay, if you are interested, just ping me through this WhatsApp number, or my by sending email to my id rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. Okay. So mostly people, a lot of people are asking about what is AI, what is the deep learning, what is machine learning. That kind of question only mostly coming up with, right? So for that, recently I did one live. You can check my channel QPT. Just to click that channel and go to the live tab. Here in the live tab, you can you can find that AI FAQ. I did that live for around 3 hours. There I explained a lot of things. You can check that video. If anyone wants, I will be sending that link. Okay, here I'm sending the link. You can check that, and if you like that, you can share it to others. Okay. Okay. And another important thing is you can earn money from my AI courses, webinars, books. Okay. It's a good opportunity. I'm selling my books and AI courses, these webinars, and my timesheet software and this PHP script, everything I'm selling, all digital products and coaching, right? So I'm selling these things from my website, rajamanikam.com. Rajamanikam.com is a Gumroad based website. Okay. Gumroad allows me to offer affiliate commissions. Okay. Suppose if you are interested in earning money for referring my products to other people, your friends and audience through social media, you can make use of this opportunity. Just to contact me, I will be adding you as an affiliate. It is free. You can immediately join as my affiliate without making any payment, and you will be getting a affiliate link. Okay. I right now I'm setting 50% affiliate commission. Okay. In that case, if you share that link with your friends or social media, if someone is buying the book or registering to the webinar or buying the AA course, in that case, you will be credited with 50% of the price of the product. It's a very, very good offer. In case if you are referring this webinar, $30 means $15 you will be getting. If you are referring my timesheet software and someone is buying that timesheet software, you will be getting $20 immediately. Will be immediately in the sense it will be credited, and Gumroad will be making payment to you like after 1 week. Okay, their minimum payment also good compared to other affiliate systems, and their minimum thing is just $10 only. So there is no risk in this case. So just to go through the FAQ. Okay, go to, I provided all the details here. Go to the bottom of my blog and I click this earn 50% commission. There I provided all the details, that Gumroad sign up link and the Gumroad FAQ link. Just to go through that details. Okay, sign up link is here, FAQ link is here. Just check that things, and if you have any further questions, you can contact me. And basically, it is very simple. No need to explain much. But if you want any facility, suppose if you are expert in affiliate systems, you want to know about the cookie time, other things, you can just check that FAQ. Okay. But if you are very beginner, it is you can immediately start using it. Okay. And I am offering 50%. Normally everyone is offering 10-15% like that only. I am offering 50% commission for all my products. Okay. including this AI course and webinar. Yeah, right now, you can concentrate more on these two products, that recommended products, right? You can concentrate, but it has all the other products also, and that ebook dream book move forward, that also can sell well if you promote it in effective way. Okay, so that things I already discussed in separate live session. Even I uploaded one video to talk about that things, and moreover, I uploaded this thing, and money selling AI courses. I created one separate ebook about telling about AI education boom and how to earn money from that without creating courses. And if you are interested, you can freely download that by applying this like discount code, 100% discount code, affiliate, AFFILIATE. Okay, you can just go through that book. You may need to click this button, but you need not make any payment. You have to just give your email ID to get that book. Okay, so if you're interested, get that book. Okay, so this, as I said, this particular live session is to talk about the discount offer. So that right now the discount is you can join to this live webinar with the discounted fee. Already I am providing the discounted fee for the discount. It's a promotional discount. That means you need to share the link on any social media, and you have to contact me to use that discount. Okay, so in that case, like it's a 50% discount. So if you are in India, you can join by paying 250 rupees in India, and in case of global, you can join for $12. Okay, but as I said, if you do it today itself, and in that case, I can enroll you or register you for just 100 rupees in India. Okay, that is just to give some uh, just to starting of this discount offer, right? So that it can spread to other people. So it is applicable for today only. So if you are watching this video today as a live, and if you want to make use of this opportunity, just to share this video itself. You can share any link about this GenAI course. You can either share this video or share this particular link and contact me. I provided my email ID and WhatsApp number, right? So just to contact me with the screenshot or the permanent link of the sharing, and I'll be, and then you can just uh, register just by paying 100 rupees today, or if you are doing it tomorrow, means 50% in the sense 250 rupees. Okay, again, it's very that 500 rupees itself very very low fee. Okay, so in that course, I will be talking about 3 hours. I have planned actually. Recently, I did these 3 hours about explaining the very very fundamental things. If you are like very beginner, I would suggest going through this FAQ fundamental things first before coming to this like this one. I'm referring this video, AFAQ. Actually, that video I started to explain about my new ebook that I released on Amazon, AI FAQ. But in that video, I started explaining about AI just by going through the content of the book in a question and answer format. That I thought that will be an effective way for teaching AI to the beginners. So if you are very beginner, I would suggest going through that particular video, 3 hours video. Okay, but the offer is ending today. Mostly it might have ended. Okay, PDT time it will be ending, so it's almost crossed. Okay. Um, anyway, if you are like a Kindle Unlimited member, you can freely read that book. Okay, but you cannot buy it freely now. But anyway, that video purpose, though the we started video to tell about the free offer, actually that video I talked around 3 hours about the AI. Okay, so that will be very useful for beginners. And if you like that video, share it with others also. Okay, so let me check any it's going on smoothly or not. Okay, but it's not showing video, right? Okay. but Okay, so just to go through that video, and and a few weeks back, 12 days back, right here, I did around 4.5 hours of free webinar to teach about everything. But that time I realized that just I try to explain everything in a webinar. It is difficult to teach that effectively, right? Even though I spent 4.5 hours, I couldn't do it in an effective way. Okay, so in that case, I decided to do this paid webinar, and that is targeting only some advanced topics like RAG, MCP, LangGraph, graph, and AI agents. So if you are interested, but because these skills are very much needed, so it is for mostly likely for professionals. Okay, so I understand that they may not be having enough time to attend a full-fledged training. Right now, I'm doing my second batch of full-fledged 4-week training program, but I don't have any plans to start another batch there, because people are willing to learn the things very quickly, because they are having a lot of constraints in terms of timing. So in that case, Saturday evening time will be more suitable. That is why I selected this. Okay, and I believe this particular timing and this kind of formatting is more suitable. But I understand some other people will be expecting different kinds of things. Say, for example, non-technical people will be expecting different things. Okay, but my suggestion is, even if you are a non-technical person, understanding the RAG other thing is still important, because if you are planning to use ChatGPT, you will be facing the issues like hallucination and lack of private information, knowledge cut of date, that kind of issues you should be facing, right? Though you are not familiar with coding, you can use some kind of already available applications like Notebook LM, in case if you want to do some analysis about your projects or any study research papers. You can just upload the research paper here, come to notebooklm.google.com, upload your notes and other documents and the references, everything, video, and anything you can add here, Google Docs, or even just copy the text here, paste it here, and or you can discover, suppose if you want to know about some topics, you can just discover the things, and then you can chart with that. Here the reliability will be improved, the hallucination will be reduced, because that system is grounding the LLM by including the source materials, right? So apart from that, we can have audio overview, like a podcast kind of thing, and a video overview, mind map, and various reports like study guide, FAQ, timeline. Okay, you can just try it, the things. Okay, that is the reason why you should know about that fundamental concepts. Okay, if you are familiar with those things, you should be able to decide whether you have to use ChatGPT or Notebook LM. Okay, Notebook LM in the sense internally it is using Gemini. So in that case, the question should be like whether you have to use Notebook LM or you have to use Gemini, right? So in that case, obviously, you will be preferring Notebook LM. Okay, but you have to use in a proper way. You have to add the sources properly. Then only you will be getting answers. Okay, otherwise, without sources, if you ask something, it won't be answering any questions. Okay, even we cannot type this. So we have to first add sources. Okay, so and if that is the reason why I wanted to explain the things to everyone. But if you are a AI developer, aspiring AI developer, willing to upgrade yourself with the latest things, then for you it will be more suitable. But that recorded AI course anyone can buy. Okay, it's for a very very common person up to advanced things. Okay, there I, as I said, I added like a lot of videos. I provided playlist of that videos. Okay, included in that course. Here you can check starting from what is AI, AI tools, prompt engineering, AI jargon, like a simple explanation of machine learning using Google Teachable Machine, and AI tools, understanding about basics of AI, like a simple machine learning tools like scikit-learn, that library. Okay, and like for advanced things like TensorFlow, for deep learning. And I tried my best to explain a lot of things through that videos. I provided that videos so that you can freely watch it in this channel. And to find that videos, I created this playlist. Maybe you can check that playlist to know about my way of teaching and other things. Okay, but it is better to uh, purchase my course, because here you can only watch the video, right? But in case of course, below the videos you can download the code used in that video, and you can download the videos, you can watch it from your local. And that also provided with captions, closed captions, subtitles. Okay. And apart from videos, I provided 9 AI related ebooks also. You can download the ebooks, you can read it at your convenient timing. So a lot of advantages are there, and I'm selling it for just 300 rupees only. And in case of global audience, it is $8 only. Just to think that. Okay. So here my way of teaching is like explaining the very basic things. Okay. So in the webinar also I'll be doing in that way only. But mostly it will be useful for the developers by explaining the things with practically with hands-on coding. Okay. So that is what my plan. And you can watch that kind of stuff in these videos also. I already created videos and included that videos in the course as well as in this channel, and provided a link here, right? So in that webinar registration page itself, I provided free download ebooks. So I made some ebooks for free, but for limited time. Okay, just to promote this webinar, because I'm launching the webinar, it should be reaching the people, right? I already started running PPC campaigns, but I need to spend significant money for that. Okay, so another way is offering these kinds of free ebooks and free links to my free tutorials. By doing that, suppose if you like these things, you will be sharing with your friends, right? So they will either they can use these free resources, or if they are interested to fully utilize this opportunity, they can register to this live webinar. In case of live webinar, they can indirectly discuss with me, they can ask their questions, they can get clarification for their long time questions. And basically it is like a full personal guidance, so right. But in that case, if you it will be like a live broadcast to my channel, and other people also will be there in the live. Suppose if you want to come completely personal one-on-one coaching, that also I am providing. You can book my time. We can do that on hourly basis. Okay. That also very effective, because if you are already knowing about a few things, and if you want to learn about only particular thing, one-on-one coaching will be better. But I will be doing it in a very limited way only, because I need to personally spend time for everyone, right? So in case of webinar, a lot of people can join. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm not seeing any questions right now. Okay. So actually, many people are thinking that learning AI is a difficult thing like that, but in fact, it is very easy to learn the basics. But it's a very huge field. Okay, I'm not saying that everything can be learned easily. A lot of complex things are there, but already scientists and researchers are taking care of those things. Okay. Our part is we need to just learn about how to use that things. Okay. So, if you are planning to join this webinar, first you need to have some basic understanding about what is machine learning, what is deep learning, okay, how AI is different from traditional programming. That kind of informations are very much important. I plan to talk about those basic things in one webinar, and actually I provided all that kind of details in my recorded course. So if you register for this webinar, you will be getting access to recorded course. So it is better to go through the recorded course before attending this webinar if you are very very beginner. Okay, so in that case, it is better to do the registration as early as possible to get that access to that recorded course, so that you will be getting enough time, because coming Saturday I'm doing this webinar. So just think about that perspective. Any questions are there? No questions. I'm just ending this live now. If you have any questions, you can send it through email or my WhatsApp message. Okay. Thanks.